Hello everyone. In today's video, let us learn how to identify the resources and their need on the given Fiber Optic Trainer Kit.
At the end of this video, you will be able to identify different cables used in optical fiber communication, identify different connectors used in optical fiber communication, identify various sections in the optical fiber communication trainer kit. Let us collect the tools and equipment required to do this practical. Optical fiber trainer kit with instruction manual, assorted OFC cables with label numbers attached to each one, assorted OFC connectors with label numbers attached to each one. Identification of different types of cables used in optical fiber communication. Pick any one of the labeled optical fiber cable from the given assorted cables. Identify the name or type of cables used by referring to the data manual. Single mode fiber optic cable. They have a small core diameter, typically 9 micrometers, and are used for long distance communication due to low signal attenuation. Multi-mode fiber optic cable. They have a larger core diameter, typically 50 micrometers or 62.5 micrometers, and are suitable for shorter distance such as within buildings or campuses. Ribbon cable. Ribbon cables contain multiple fibers arranged in parallel ribbons. They are used in high-density applications where space is limited, such as in data centers or telecommunication facilities. Breakout cable. Breakout cables are designed for rugged environments or outdoor installations. They consist of multiple tight buffered fibers encased in a rugged outer jacket. Breakout cables are suitable for direct burial or installation in ducts. Identification of different types of connectors used in optical fiber communication. Pick any one of the labeled connector from the given assorted optical fiber communication connectors. Identify the name or type of connectors by referring the data manual used in optical fiber connectors. Record the name and its application. Standard connector SC. SC connectors uses a ceramic ferrule to deliver accurate alignment of the single mode fiber SMF. SC connectors are commonly used in telecommunications, data centers, and cable TV networks. Ferrule core connector FC. This connector uses a threaded container and a position locatable notch to achieve exact locating of the single mode fiber in relation to the receiver and the optical source. FC connectors are commonly used in laboratory and research environments as well as in some telecommunications and industrial applications. Straight tip ST connector. The ST connector's keyboard bayonet design is similar to that of a BNC, bayonet nut connector, or bayonet nail concealment connector. ST connectors were once widely used in data communication and networking applications, but they are being gradually replaced by smaller connectors like LC and SC. SMA Sub-Miniature Version A connector. The obsolete SMA connector was the forerunner to the ST connector. SMA connectors are mainly designed for use with glass. They can also be used with plastic fiber optic communication. Lucent connector LC. The LC, sometimes referred to as the little connector, is a small form factor FOC that uses a 1.25 micrometers ferrule. LC connectors are widely used in data communication and telecommunications networks as well as in fiber optic transceivers and switches. Plastic fiber optic cable connectors. There are relatively fewer plastic connectors available when compared to glass fiber. These connectors are cheaper and are primarily designed for easy application. Enterprise Systems Connection Connector. ESCON. These connectors were developed by IBM for interfacing peripheral storage devices, including tape drives, to their mainframes. Fiber Distributed Data Interface Connector (FDDI). This provides data transmission at 100 Mbps in a dual ring token local area network within a 200 km range, primarily in high-speed LAN local area network environments. OptiJack connector. The OptiJack duplex connector resembles the universal RJ45 connector. OptiJack connectors are often used in structured cabling systems within buildings, campuses, or data centers. LX5 connector. The LX5 provides high density, high performance, and reliable connections. The LX5 connector is a specific type of fiber optic connector designed for military and aerospace applications, as well as in harsh environments where ruggedness and reliability are paramount. Identification of various sections of the Optical Fiber Communication Trainer Kit. Identify each section of OFC Trainer Kit by observing the kit and refer to the instruction manual. Frequency modulation. This circuitry would modulate the optical carrier signal with the analog modulating signal to create an FM modulated optical signal. Pulse width modulation. The transmitter would convert the modulated electrical signal into an optical signal suitable for transmission over optical fibers. Emitter circuits. In a fiber optic trainer kit, an emitter circuit typically refers to the circuitry responsible for driving the optical transmitter. Detector circuits. In a fiber optic trainer kit, detector circuits refer to the circuitry responsible for converting optical signals received by the optical receiver into electrical signals. Comparator circuit. These circuits compare the received optical signal strength or characteristics against a reference level and produce a binary output based on the result of the comparison. Phase-locked loop detector. A phase-locked loop is a control system that generates an output signal whose phase is related to the phase of an input signal. PLLs can be used for various purposes, including clock recovery, phase modulation, demodulation, frequency synthesis, and carrier recovery. Function generator. A function generator can produce modulating signals for testing the modulation capabilities of optical transmitters. For example, it can generate sinusoidal, square, or triangular waveforms to modulate the optical signal's intensity or phase.
In this video, we have identified different types of cables used in optical fiber communication, identified different types of connectors used in optical fiber communication, identified various sections in the optical fiber communication trainer kit. This concludes this exercise. Thank you for watching.